about something, nigga. Talk about how many hoes, clothes, and bank rolls we got. Who we got in here? Juicy J.
So they say, use a beater. I say use your hand. This is one of the best products that I like to use for dessert, for a simple dessert. You can buy just about anywhere. I'm not endorsing the product, just showing you how it's used. Great way, great technique. Much heavier, it's got less gelatin in it because of the chocolate. Basically, the entire thing, the entire meal, I'd be surprised if I used more than just those 3 knives. So the best chefs I've worked for my entire career have only used 3 knives the entire bag, so those are the ones for me. The most important things is make sure your cutting board doesn't move around, doesn't matter where you are. So I'm going to get a clean rag, soak it in water, put it right at the cutting board, it'll stop. Sometimes it's okay just to tear and go with the peeling, depending on how many layers you're going to use, but in this case, it should be fine. I tore it a little bit because it's frozen. I can do about 4 layers, so it should be nice and sturdy for my dessert. There you go. We call them phyllo pillows for moose, so go back, cool off for a minute first. You want to play with them when they're hot. It's easier to play with now when they're hot. I have to make oyster Rockefeller. Can't put it on my cutting board, that's wrong. Cruising. Damn camera guys are always following me. I'm eating. What am I doing? Holy smokes. Look at the sweat. That's pure sweat of love right there, man, okay? Even chef still does this. Doing Lazy Man's piccata. Lazy Man beans, if you recall. I didn't mix the chicken with the egg and cheese. I just put cheese in the flour. Lazy Man, easy way. It looks good. First course. Guys, I'm doing a menu called Soprano Squared. Meaning it's 3 dishes which is squared, but I'm gonna serve all the food on a square dish. Okay, the ultimate finishing touches for a meal is real black truffles. Only pigs and dogs can smell them underneath the ground. I give them about $180 worth of truffles. Don't wait.